What's up guys, Sal here. So this live image of the Galaxy S9 got leaked yesterday and a lot of people thought it's real as it closely resembles the concept image that Veskin shared a few days ago. But fact of the matter is, it's not. Someone photoshopped this image of the Galaxy S8 and removed the bottom bezel and uploaded on the internet, which is obviously fake. Samsung has apparently told the Korea Herald that a showcase of the Galaxy S9 at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas next month is very unlikely. Following the first such report that said the Galaxy S9 could be showcased to a few people at CES, there's been some talk of a possibility of the Galaxy S9 being officially launched in January to tackle the iPhone X. But it seems to be a baseless rumor, just like the one we hear each year for every upcoming Galaxy S flagship. The newspaper says that the S9 should get unveiled at a dedicated event at the MWC, like all of its predecessors. Galaxy Club have obtained information pertaining to the official protective cases that will launch alongside the upcoming Galaxy S9, and they include everything from a good old Clearview cover to an all-new HyperKnit one. Here's the full list. Most of these debuted with the Galaxy S8, so they should sound fairly similar. The only exception, however, is the HyperKnit cover. I'm not sure what to expect, but its moniker suggests it's a high-end protective case with a knitted back. Samsung has announced that it has started mass production of the first 512GB flash storage. This storage solution is intended for use in next generation of mobile devices, but Samsung didn't mention anything about the S9 featuring this storage space. The Galaxy S8 and the Note 8 come with 64GB of memory, but that might not be enough for some users. The obvious advantage of built-in storage is that it's significantly faster than expandable memory. And the faster the flash memory, the quicker the phone will fail. The probability of the Galaxy S9 featuring 512GB of storage is very less, but even if they decide to include this amount of memory, I'm pretty sure it's going to be exclusive to China and South Korea and would be a hell lot more expensive. So yeah, let me know what you think of this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.